Hello and welcome, dear student. Today we will solve exercise 3.4 class 10 Ncert mathematics. Question number first of 12. Okay. First we read the question. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by the elimination method. If they does not exist, if they do not exist, then we cannot solve that question. Our first question is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1, means a fraction will be equal to 1. It becomes 1 upon 2 if we only add 1 to the numerator. Okay, it becomes equal to 1 upon 2. What is the fraction? Okay, so we write here solution of question number second of first. So according to question, first we suppose x upon 5 is a fraction. Where x is numerator and y is denominator. Okay, so according to question, for first condition, if we add 1 to the numerator, means suppose 1 we add 1 to x and subtract 1 from the denominator, subtract 1, so the fraction reduces to 1, means this. Now do cross multiplication. You will get x plus 1 equal y minus 1. This implies that x minus y, okay, plus 1, and transfer this side, plus 1 is equal to 0, means x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. Again, for the second condition, the second condition says that if we only add 1 to the denominator, it becomes 1 upon 2, x upon y plus 1 denominator, it becomes 1 upon 2. Do cross multiplication, we get 2x equal y plus 1. This implies that 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Question 2. Okay, so here identify the values of a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus 1, c1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 1, c2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, now find the ratios of a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. a1 upon a2 1 upon 2, b1 upon b2 is 1 upon minus 1 1, c1 upon c2 2 upon minus 1, means minus 2. Since a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2, therefore solution exists. Okay, so solution exists. Now we will solve these two equations by elimination method. So here we can observe that the coefficient of y are equal, okay, both in a minus form. So whenever we subtract equation 2 from 1, then y will eliminate. Now we write on subtracting equation 2 from Okay, we get x minus y plus 2 and minus 2 minus y minus 1 equal 0 minus 0 means 0. So it will x minus y plus 2 minus 2x plus y plus 1. So y cancel out. X minus 2x is minus x plus 2 plus 1 is plus 3 equal 0. This implies that x is equal to 3. Okay. Now on putting the value of x in equation number 1, we get 3 minus y plus 2 equal 0. 3 plus 2 means 5. So 5 minus y equal 0 means y is equal to 5. So the value is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. So numerator is equal to 3 and denominator is 5. So we write here. So our fraction is 3 upon 5. Okay. If you want to check your answer that our numerator and denominator is true or not, then you can check. Okay. Our next question is, now come to the check. X is equal to here 3, put 3 and y is equal to 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2, minus 2 plus 2 means 0. And again next, x is equal to 3, 3 2 is 6 and y is equal to 5. 6 minus 5 is 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Our second question is, now look the second question. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? Okay. Means how many ages, present ages of Noori and Sonu. So, for solving the question, first we suppose the ages of Sonu and Noori are X years and Y years respectively. So we write here according to question. First condition is 5 years ago, means 5 years ago means y minus 5 and x minus 5. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. Means Noori is thrice old. Means time is 3 times. So we multiply the age of Sonu before 3 years by 3. Okay, before 5 years by 3. So this y minus 5 and 3 bracket x minus 5 will be equal. Okay. So now we solve this. Y minus 5 equal to 3x minus 15. This implies that 3x transferred to the right side minus y minus 15 plus 5 equals 0. This implies that 3x minus y minus 10 is equal to 0. It is our first equation. Again, for the second condition, 10 years later means y plus 10 and x plus 10. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. Means when we multiply 2, then x plus 10 and y plus 10, then these two expressions will equal. Now solve this. Y plus 10, 2x plus 20. This implies that transfer to right side, 2x minus y plus 20 minus 10 equals 0. This implies that 2x minus y 10 is complete. Equation number 2. Okay. Here we can observe that the coefficient of y is the same. Now, if the coefficients of x and y will numerically same, then we can solve, then we can subtract and applying the elimination method for eliminating one of the two variables. So here we write on subtracting one minute, there is a mistake. First we check out ratios. Okay, the solution is exist or not. So now look, a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 1 and c1 is equal to minus 10. Okay, again a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 1, c2 is equal to 10. Okay, now take the ratio a1 a2 equal 3 upon 2, b1 b2 equal minus 1 upon minus 1 means 1, and c1 c2 minus 10 upon minus 10 upon 10 means minus 1. Okay, so here we can observe that since a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2, therefore solution exists. Okay, now look, on subtracting equation 2 and 1, we get 3x y minus 10 minus 2x minus y plus 10 is equal to 0 minus 0. 3x minus y minus 10 minus 2x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. So y cancel out, 3x minus 2x x minus 10 will be minus 20 equal 0, x is equal to 20. Again, on putting the value of x in equation number 1, we get 2 into 20 minus y plus 10 is equal to 0. 40 plus y plus 10 is equal to 0. This implies that 40, 10, 50 minus y is equal to 0. This implies that y is equal to 50. Okay, so check your answer. Put the value of x and y in equation number 1. So 3 into 20 minus 50 plus 10. Now solve. 60 minus 50 minus 50 minus 10. So 60 minus 60 is equal to 0. So first equation is satisfied. Now look second. Put 2 into 20 minus 50 plus 10 is equal to 40 minus 50 plus 10 is minus 40. Also second equation is correct. So our answer is correct. So we write the last line, the ages of Sonu and Noori are 20 years and 50 years respectively. Now we will go on the third question. So we read the third question. Look the third question. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. Okay, we have to find the two-digit number. So we write, suppose the two-digit number is 10x plus y. Okay, again where x y and x are the tens and units digits respectively. Okay, so we write here according to question. The question says that the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9, means x plus y is equal to 9. Suppose it is equation 1. And also 9 times this number, 9 times this number means this number 10x plus y. 9 times this number, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. If we reversing the order of the digits of this number means whenever x replaced by y and y replaced by x, then we will get 10y plus x is twice, 9 times of this number is twice the reversing digits of the two-digit number, means equal. Now solve this. 9 tens are 90x, 9y plus 9y equal to 10s are 20y, 2x. Now transfer 90 minus 2x and also you will get 20 minus 9y. So 90 minus 2x means you will get 88x and 20y minus 9 is 11y. So here 88x 11y. This implies that y is equal to 88x upon 11 means 8. So y is equal to 8x. Equation second. Okay, now here first we find out the ratios. A1 is equal to 1, B1 is equal to 1, and C1 is equal to -9. Here A2 is equal to 8, B2 is equal to -1, and C2 is equal to 0. So A1 upon A2 is equal to 1 upon 8, B1 upon B2 is equal to 1 upon -1 is -1, and C1 upon C2 is equal to -9 upon 0 means infinity, you can say. Since one ratio is infinity, okay, C1 upon C2 means infinity, undetermined, you can say. So when we solve this question, so here we can observe that C1 upon C2 is equal to infinity. Okay, so here first we look that A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2 does not equal to 0. A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2 does not equal to 0. Therefore we can say that solution exists. Okay, solution exists. Now on first we look that the coefficient of y and the x. The coefficient of y is the same in both equation. So we write here on subtracting equation number 2 from 1. So x plus y minus y is equal to 9 minus 8x. Y cancel out. X is equal to 9 minus 8x. This implies that x plus 8x is equal to 9. This implies that 9x is equal to 9. Write that x is equal to 9 upon 9 equal to 1. Okay. On putting value of x in equation 2, we get y is equal to 8 into 1 means 8. Okay, if you want to check your answer, then put the value of x and y in both equations. Now we put in a first equation the value of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 8. Now solve, you will get 9. And also in the second equation the value of x is equal to 1 means 8 into 1, and the value of y is equal to 8, you will get 8 is equal to 8. Also second equation is also satisfied. So we can say that the number equal 10 into 1 plus 8 means 18. Okay. Our fourth question. Now look the fourth question. In the fourth question it is given that Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of 50 rupees and 100 rupees she received. Okay, so for doing this, suppose the number of 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes are X and Y respectively. Okay, respectively. Also, we write here the money by 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes are rupees 50x and 100x, sorry, y respectively. Okay, so now according to question, 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. Okay, first condition is the total money withdraw by Meena is 2000. Therefore, 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. It is the first equation. And also in a second condition, total number of notes is 25, means x plus y is equal to 25%. Here we can observe that there is no coefficient of x and y are equated. So we will equate on multiplying equation number 2 by 50 in both sides. Okay, for when we multiply 15 equation 2 in a both sides, we will eliminate x. So 50 x plus y to 25 into 50 means 50x 50y is equal to 25 5s are 250. Okay, question number 3 on subtracting. So first we write here, first we checked out a1 a2 b1 b2. So here a1 from equation 1 and 2, a1 is a1 upon a2 is equal to, because a1 is equal to 50 and a2 is equal to 1, so 50 upon 1 is 50, and b1 upon b2 is equal to 100 upon 1 means 100, c1 upon c2 is equal to minus 2000 upon minus 25 means minus minus cancel out 80. Okay, we can observe here, since a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2, therefore solution exists. Okay, so on subtracting equation 3 from 1, we get 50 x plus 100 y minus 50 x plus 2 y is equal to 250. So it will be 1750 and 50x plus 100y plus 50x minus 50y cancel out. So we will get 100 minus 50y means 50y is equal to 1750 upon 50, cancel out, 5 3 are 15 and 255, I is equal to 35. On putting the value of y in question number 2, we get x plus 35 is equal to 25. Okay, sorry, here is a mistake because of 5 3 are 15. Okay, 5 5 are 25, 35. So our answer is coming out a negative. It will be not this like so. So 5 3 are 15. First we checked out 50y 25 into, checked out now, 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. Okay, plus y is equal to 25. So on multiplying equation 2 by 50, we get 50x plus y 25 into 25 5s are 125. There is a mistake. Okay, 1250 it will be. So here we can look that 1250, 1250. Okay, 1250 minus, so you will get 750. Now 750 divided by 50, you will get 15 and 15. So x is equal to 25 minus 15 is equal to 10. So the value of y is equal to 15 and x is equal to 10. Now it is 15. So now solve. Now we will check here in the first equation, 50 into x means 10 plus 100 into y means 15. Now solve. 5 1 ja 5, 500 plus 1500, you will get 2000 again. So equation first is satisfied. Now second, 10 plus 15 is equal to 20. So we write here, there are 10 and 10 and 15, 10 comma 15 notes of rupees 50 and 100 respectively. Now look question number 5th of this question. In the 5th question, a lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and additional charges for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susi paid 21 rupees for the books she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. So we write here, suppose the fixed charge is for first 3 days and additional charge, or you can say extra, each extra day charge are X rupees and Y rupees respectively. Now according to question, we write here Sarita paid 27 rupees for a book kept for 7 days. Okay, so we write here 27 rupees means X plus for first 3 days and 7 days, therefore 3 days will minus from 7, you will get 4, so 4y. Additional charge for 1 day is y rupees, therefore 4 days will be 4y rupees and X. So 27, equation 1. Also for second condition, Susie paid 21 rupees for the book she kept for 5 days, means for 3 days will be X rupees and the remaining 2 days will be 2y is equal to 21. Question 2. Okay, now solve. Here a1, a2, 1 upon 1 means 1, b1, b2, 4 upon 2 means 2, c1, c2, 27 minus 1, 21 will be 9, 3 9 ja 27, 9 and 3 7 ja 21. Since a1, a2, b1, b2 does not equal, therefore solution exists. Okay, now on here we can see that the coefficient of x in both equations are same. On on subtracting equation 2 from 1, so we get x plus 4y, x plus 2y, 27 minus 21 is 6, x plus 4y, x minus 2y, x cancel, y minus 2y means 2y is equal to 6, y is equal to 6 upon 2 means 3. Okay, so value of y is equal to 3. Now on putting the value of y in equation number 1, so x plus 5 x plus 4 into value of y is 3 equal 27, 4 3 are 12, 27 minus 12 is equal to 5 and 2 minus 1 is 115. So now first check So x is equal to 15, y is equal to 3. Put in the first equation. So 15, okay, 15 plus 4 into y means 3. Now solve for 3 are 12, 27. Equation 1 is satisfied, and also for equation second, 15 plus 2 into 3 means 21. Second is also satisfied. So we can say that, so the fixed charges and each extra day charges are rupees 15 and rupees 3 respectively. So thank you for watching my video. We will meet in the next video for taking next exercise. Goodbye.